It's solving a lot faster. See, I told you it solves faster. And it's now shorter, but very difficult. It's solving very quickly. It's our speed cubing method. Over the top cube. Let's go. You're just solving this cube. I solved this cube very fast. There are no such 14 by 14, 16 by 16, 18 by 18, 20 by 20. The last thing I do is solve. Done. That's it. We also Rubik cubes from YouTube channels. Goodbye. I will solve the Rubik cube that they don't exist. 14 by 14, 16 by 16, 18 by 18, and 20 by 20. We'll watch it later and create this video later.